Come to the Gundam factory with me here in Japan. It is located at the Yamashita Pier in Yokohama. We lined up for the same day tickets. Ticket is at 1,650 yen for adults and 1,100 for children. You may also get special tickets to get a fantastic view of the Gundam Dock Tower, but when we arrived, it was already sold out. Here's everything you'll see when you get to the entrance. You will be welcomed by the largest moving Gundam itself. It is known to be the largest moving Gundam in the world. The robot is 18 meters tall. Here's me saying hi with my boyfriend. The moving Gundam also has different performances, and schedules may change depending on the time of the year. So if you want, you can check out the website for more details. We also went to the Gundam Academy, where you can see the development process of the moving Gundam. Its design, structure, and mechanisms are all introduced using panels and videos. They also have hands-on experience corner. Here you can see how the Gundam is moving and how you can create your own Gundam. They also have miniature Gundams. Outside, you can check out some Gundam cafe and food trucks. Don't forget to check out the Gundam Base shop for merchandise. Here you can see original goods sold exclusively at the Gundam factory. They have shirts, robots, puzzles, and many different merchandise. You can also feast on their limited time cafe, which they sell original menu and local gourmet food unique to Yokohama. The exhibition period is extended until March 31, 2024, so what are you waiting for? Come check it out.